What? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? The reflection. Well, hello guys, and it's your girl, and we're having a slime time video. Okay guys, so here's my thing right now. You're about to see my face probably. So you guys are probably wondering, why do I spray paint? Why do I have this cup, and why do I have all of these? Guys, I'm not making slime today. But we're gonna do experiments with slime. Experiments. Okay, let's go. So I got an average base of things. But first, let's get into our stuff. We got this spray paint. It's black. Got this bowl that has a hole that just about killed itself. We have these lines. I'm gonna put this over here so y'all can see what I'm using. I got colors. I got pink and copper, and I got this thing. I'm gonna put that right there. Y'all need slime. Oh guys, there's some here. Yeah, y'all need slime. Anyway guys, get into this. Well, our last experiment will be dyeing it because I don't want to kill it and then dye it and then kill it. Guys, get marbles. We're gonna spray paint them with marbles now, so guys. So this makes holes. So yeah, we're pretty much know about that. But let's do some ultra slimy art. We're gonna make a vase out of slime. Let's do it. Guys, I'm not weird. So guys, that's what we got so far. Black moss, slimy art. Took art class. I'm gonna make some decor. Yeah. So guys, we're not taking it out, never mind. Guys, we made a slimy vase. So if you guys can see this, slime, and me. Well guys, go. Oh my god guys, we have a hole, we need to repair it. Slime! Yum, bro. Well guys, here's my hair. My slimy time vase. And I'm making it a hole now. Okay. Gonna step it on right there and take it out manually. So there, guys. Slime is really difficult to take out. So that's how I'm gonna take it out. Now, guys, the next experiment is to just stick this hole. We need to make it again, but I don't want to make it again. So put that to the side. Grab this and put it on here. I'm gonna put marbles in it. It's perfectly delicious. And my belly, guys, it feels absolutely perfect. Perfect! Slime time! Okay, guys, we're gonna have to put these marbles back. But not for now. We need to dye this shit. So guys, I'm gonna have to put the slime on the ground, guys. I know half of you are like, that's a bad thing to do. So we're done. Gonna straight up one cut. And we're gonna take a tour of my front house. The front of it. So guys, this is my street. Where in a lot of my music leagues, I dab in my street. Okay guys, I dab. And then, if you go up here, you see the movie part, my cable, number 6 for musically I did, my screen rotator, newspapers. This is like my chill out area. Okay, guys, you're gonna see the slime likes for touch. Thumbnail photo! Okay guys. Half of that was for thumbnail, but it's okay. Oh my god guys, my slime is so hard. Stick it real good. Guys, I heard that if you actually dye your slime, it comes metallic-y. See guys, I'm feeling my slime right here, and it feels actually really nice. To be honest with y'all. But guys, gonna flip this around, dye it the other way too. Okay guys, we're gonna do this thumbnail shoot. Thumbnail shoot. Oh, that's my baby. Okay guys, can't really touch it without getting slime all over me. / really toxic shit. So I'm gonna dye some more of it. Oh my god, that's my baby. Our hands clean. They're not gonna be clean though. Oh my god, that's my baby, baby. Oh my god, that's my baby. Guys, I'm just killing all the marbles. Now let's see how far slime can kill itself. I'm gonna get on my roof and throw it. Cause guys, slime doesn't really matter to me. Yeah, it does. Walk, walk, walk into the street. Walk, walk, walk into the street. Ow, I hit myself. I was literally like, bam, and I hit myself. Ooh, there's still a few marbles I need to get out of here, so. Get up, boys, get up. Ooh, this makes slime art. I'm crazy. I'm gonna move out of the road now. You guys can go. But I need my slime. Guys, there's cars about to come. Like, they can just see me. They're like, safe, looking at me, being like, what the hell are you doing? So, guys. Oh, both cars are going. Slime! Oh my god, that's my babe. We need to cross the street. Like a responsible person in the middle of the road. So guys, it's inside. I'm gonna get on to the neighbor's yard. Let's go. Go up there and throw my slime. Cause hey, how far can the slime go? But we're gonna see right now. My god, I'm bad. Don't worry, I'm not seeing. So guys, I'm 3 things up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. And I got slime in my hand. So who really cares? I'm pretty sure my neighbors do, but they live in an apartment complex. I live in a real house, so I'm richer than them. JK. I'm probably not, because I'm a child. Guys, my slime would throw. Okay, guys. Few more things. Let's look into the slime. Oh my god. Sorry, neighbors. To do this. Oh, guys. Can figure it out. Well, all it does is throw marbles and stick. Slime time! I'm horrible. Haha. Wall test. I'm not vandalizing the slime. I'm Jaguar Rolling. Sorry, guys. This is slime. Shitballs. Shitballs, la zucchini. That's what happens when you throw it into his hand. Well, does nothing if you throw it at the wall. We spray painted it, but it turned the regular color. Oh my god. Figured out which neighbor lives there. So guys, we're gonna throw it off in the street lamp because I have nothing better to do. Yeah, we get it. My battery's low. Well, guys, I hope you liked the slime experiments. Bye-bye.